Welcome to the greatest wholesale market for arcade games and amusement machines, Xingli Industrial Park. This is one of the most famous, with more than 15 years history. Where is it? It is in the world's largest arcade machine manufacturing hub, Tangyu of Guangzhou City. More than 200 independent showrooms. Classic claw machines, toy vending machines, shooting machines, fighting games, racing games, to the latest VR simulators. If it exists in the game world, you can find it here. If you are sourcing any arcade game machines or claw crane machines, you should come here to embrace factory direct price, cutting edge tech, and endless variety.